Welcome back to the 101 library. In our last video, we showed you how to access Microsoft Apps for free through the Microsoft Apps website. Today, we're going to explore Microsoft Forms. By the end of this video, you'll know how to access Microsoft Forms, how to create and customize a new form, how to share your form, and how to view and collect responses. Let's dive in. First, let's access Microsoft Forms. Head over to office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, refer to our previous video on how to create one. Once you're signed in, click on the Forms icon on the dashboard. This will open Microsoft Forms. Here, you'll be able to find templates that you can use, and you'll be able to access and see all your forms. To create a new form, click on the New Form icon, and this will start a new form. Let's start by giving our form a little description and a title. This will help respondents understand the purpose of your form. For example, let's create a feedback form for an event. I'll name my form Event Feedback, and I'll give it a brief description. Now, let's add some questions. You can see that Google Form has a recommended list of questions based on your event form title and description. You can also choose to add a new form by clicking on Create Your First Question, and this will show you the various question types. You can choose a choice, text, rating, date, ranking, and so on. Let's start with a choice question. Click on Choice, and here enter your questions and the options the respondents can choose from. For instance, I'll have my question to be this, and I'll have my options to be excellent, very good, good, fair, and poor. I can also choose to activate the multiple answers option, which will allow the respondent to choose multiple options. Also, I can choose to set this question to be as a required question by activating the required icon. To make this form more engaging, you can change the theme of this form. Click on Style, and this will display various designs that you can choose from. You can customize it with images or specific colors. Once you're happy with your form, it's time to share it. Click on the Collect Responses button, and you can choose to copy and share the form link, use a QR code, or any of the other methods listed. After sharing your form, you can view the responses by clicking on the Responses tab. Here you'll see a summary of the data collected and can even export it to Excel for further analysis. We don't have any data, so we don't have that option right now. And that's how we create a Microsoft form. It's a simple yet powerful tool for collecting data and feedback. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the 101 library, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our next video. Thanks for watching.